Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cartoon cake. First, let's begin by drawing a simple rectangular base for our cake. This will be the foundation. Next, add a slightly curved line on top of that rectangle to give it a nice, rounded look. Then, sketch a second, smaller rectangle directly above the first one to form the next layer of our delicious-looking cartoon cake. Now, let's build up our cake. Continue adding more rectangular layers, making each one slightly smaller than the one below it to create a tiered effect. Between each layer, draw wavy lines to represent generous dollops of frosting or icing. Finally, add some small, circular details on the very top for candles or other festive decorations, bringing our cake to life. Time to add some delightful decorations. Draw several vertical lines down the sides of each cake layer to create decorative stripes, giving it a more festive appearance. Next, scatter small dots or sprinkles randomly across the frosting on each tier. For a charming final touch, sketch a single cherry or another small fruit on the very top of your cartoon cake, making it look even more appealing. To finalize your cartoon cake, carefully outline all your pencil lines using a darker pen or a fine point marker. Take your time to ensure clean, crisp edges. Once the ink has completely dried, gently erase any visible pencil marks underneath. Finally, you can add some simple shading or vibrant colors to your cake, making your delicious-looking cartoon creation truly pop off the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.